Good morning friends. For the BSc second year, paper 1, unit number 3rd, second and third law of the thermodynamics. Before seeing the second and third law of the thermodynamics, we have seen about the what is meant by the thermodynamics. In the thermodynamics, it is the branch of science which deals with the study of work and heat and interconversion between heat and the work done. Before seeing the second law, we can see what is meant by the process and what is the reversible process and irreversible process. In the universe, there are the many number of process can be occurred, and first one is the reversible process. So there are two types of the process, that is the reversible one and the irreversible one. That is, first one is a reversible process, and second one is the irreversible process. So in the universe there are the two processes can be occur, that is the reversible process first one, and second one is the irreversible process. In the name of the reversible process suggests that it should be the reverse, means it is go in the two directions, that is the process is go from one stage to the another stage, and then it can be repeat also from the second stage to the first one. This is known as the reversible process. So the reversible process can be defined as, so reversible process is retraced. It is retraced in opposite direction. So this process go in one direction and then it is returns to the same direction. That is, if you say it is go from stage A to the stage B, then it can also returns from B to the A without loss of any energy. This is known as the reversible process. So it is without loss of any energy. So this process is known as the reversible process. When the process is reversed, the working substance passes through exactly the same condition at same condition as it does in the direct process. In actual practice, there is no process which is perfectly reversible. So in actual practice, there is no process which is exactly reversible, but reversible process means it is go from one position, one state of the system to the other state, and it is also can be reversed from that state to the other state. That is known as the reversible process. So what are the conditions for this reversible process are necessary can be see next, that is the condition for the reversible process. So simply that reversible process it is retraced in the same direction. So this is known as the reversible process, and the condition for the reversible process are reversible process. So first condition for the reversible process, the process should be slow, means it should be a slow process. All the process must be carried out infinitely slow so that the system is in thermodynamic equilibrium at each state, that is the process must be quasi-static. So this process is infinitely slow, and this process is known as the quasi-static process. Quasi-static process means at any stage of the process, the system is in equilibrium. So at any stage stage system is in equilibrium. System is in equilibrium condition. In this process there is no frictional forces are present. So in this process there is no frictional forces. Frictional forces are present. So that there is no loss of energy. So we can the third condition is that there is no loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. During the cycle of the operation, there is no loss of energy during the cycle of the operation. So this is known as the reversible process. Means it is a complete process or the complete cycle. It go from A to B and it is also reversed from B to A also, and at any stage there is a equilibrium between the systems, and this process is infinitely slow. Means it is occur slowly. It is also called as this infinite slow, means it is also known as the quasi-static process. So these are the conditions for the reversible process. One of the example of this, all the isothermal process and the adiabatic changes are reversible. All the isothermal process example is all isothermal process and adiabatic process. Adiabatic changes are reversible. Changes are reversible. Isothermal means where the temperature remains constant. In this process, these processes where the temperature remains constant are also the reversible, and also adiabatic changes are also called as the reversible process. Now the second type of the process is the irreversible process. So reversible process is the bidirectional process, whereas irreversible process are the unidirectional process. Irreversible process are unidirectional process. Process means it go from stage 1 to stage 2 or stage A to the stage B, but cannot reverse from B to A. This is known as the irreversible process. So it is occur only in once time, so it is also known as the unidirectional process, or this process go in one direction, so it is known as the unidirectional process. So irreversible process cannot be retraced in the opposite direction. So this cannot be retraced in opposite direction. This process cannot be retraced in opposite direction. This process are known as the irreversible process. All natural processes that occur suddenly or spontaneously and cannot be carried out in the successive infinitesimal stages are always irreversible. So all the process which is occur suddenly or spontaneously are the irreversible processes. Example are the conduction of heat along the metal from the hot end to the cold end. The example is conduction of heat heat in metal from hot end to cold end. So this is the spontaneous process and it can be occur spontaneously. So this process is a irreversible, that is heat go from the hot end to the cold end, but heat cannot be reversed from cold end to the hot end. So this is the example of the irreversible process. The second example is the free expansion of the gas into the evacuated chamber. Number second, free expansion of a gas in evacuated chamber. So these are the irreversible process, that is the unidirectional process, and it cannot be retraced in the opposite direction. So there is a distinguish between the reversible process and irreversible process. मग या रिव्हर्सिबल आणि इरिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेसमध्ये काय डिफरन्स आहे तो आपल्याला पाहायचा आहे. रिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस अँड इरिव्हर्सिबल प्रोसेस. So first one, reversible process. This process is a bidirectional and this process is the unidirectional. Also reversible process is infinitely slow, whereas reversible process occur suddenly or spontaneously. In reversible process there is no loss of heat. Due to the frictional forces. And irreversible process, there should be the loss of heat. So in actual practice this reversible process cannot be possible, whereas irreversible process in actual practice are possible. So it is a imaginary process. And third one, it is a natural process. So this process is natural process. So all changes in a reversible process carried out in both the direction, that is in reverse direction also, and in this process, in irreversible process, it cannot be carried out in the reverse direction. So this process cannot be carried out in reverse direction. This process can be carried out in reverse direction. So these are the basic difference between the reversible process and irreversible process. So the example of the reversible process is the very slow isothermal expansion of an ideal gas. Isothermal expansion of ideal gas. So the Example is the diffusion of gas. Diffusion of gas. And second basic difference between the reversible process and irreversible process is that in reversible process the work done is maximum, and in irreversible process the work done is does not maximum, because this process is occur in two direction and this process is occur in only one direction. So these are the basic difference between the reversible process and irreversible process. In next lecture we have seen about the second law of thermodynamics. Thank you.